In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gemini history. If you've been using Gemini and want to review what you asked or the results you received, you'll find it in your Google My Activity dashboard. This is where Google organizes activity from different products, and Gemini has its own dedicated area so you can quickly revisit past chats and searches. Start by opening any web browser on your computer or phone and going to myactivity.google.com. This is the official Google page for your account activity. It works best when you're on a trusted connection and you don't need anything installed, just a browser. Next, sign in with the same Google account you use with Gemini. If you have multiple accounts, confirm you're in the right one by checking the profile icon in the top right corner. Gemini history is tied to the exact account you used, so if you're signed into a different one, your chats won't appear. Once you're signed in, look for Gemini Apps Activity. Depending on the layout, you may see it on the home page, in the left-hand menu, or listed under Products. If it's not immediately visible, use the search bar at the top of the page and type Gemini to jump directly to that section. Inside Gemini Apps Activity, you'll see a chronological list of your saved chats and searches with the most recent items at the top. Scroll down to browse through your history and select any entry to view more details. You'll typically see timestamps in a short snippet, which helps you quickly spot the exact conversation or query you're looking for. If your list is long, the built-in date filters and search tools can narrow things down by time period or keywords. A few useful pointers as you browse. Only activity saved while your web and app activity was on will appear here. If you don't see anything, you might be in the wrong account. Your activity might be paused, your history may have auto-deleted after a set period, or you simply haven't used Gemini with that account yet. Some regions and features can vary, and activity from private or incognito contexts won't show up. This works the same on mobile. Open a browser, go to the same link, sign in, and open Gemini Apps Activity. The page is optimized for smaller screens, and you can still scroll, search, and filter just like on desktop. That's all there is to it. Go to myactivity.google.com, sign in with the account you use for Gemini, open Gemini Apps Activity, and scroll through the chronological list of your saved chats and searches. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.